and welcome. This will be a quick lecture on the suffixes argument. Okay, let's start by creating two data frames. I'll save the first one in a variable called left. So pd.dataFrame, and let's pass a dictionary to create our data frame. So k as key, and for our value I'll pass a list containing the elements k0, k1 and k2. k0, k1 and k2. Let's pass one more key and value combo. So v, and for our value we'll pass a list containing the numbers 1, 2 and 3. Let's create another data frame, and we'll save this in a variable called write pd.dataFrame, and let's pass a dictionary to create our data frame. Let's pass k as key, and for value we'll pass a list containing k0 and k3. k0, k0 and k3. k3. Let's pass one more key and value combo. For our key we'll use v, and for values we'll pass a list containing the numbers, let's say 5, 6 and 7. Now let's merge both of the data frames on this key k. So pd.merge will merge the left and right data frame, and we'll be merging them on k. Okay, let's run it. So here we have our k, and if we look at the individual data frames, so the left one and the right one, we see that only k0 is common to both, and we are merging them on k. So we have k0, and then here we see vx and vy columns. Vx is from the left data frame and vy is from the right data frame. So the value of v for k0 is 1. That's why we have 1 under vx. And then for vy we have 5. That's from the right data frame. And similarly, since we have another k0 in our right data frame, we have vy as 6 and then vx as 1. And this is by default. It adds underscore x and underscore y. We can pass the suffixes argument to change this to a different name. Let's see how we can do that. So we can say pd.merge will be merging the left and right data frames. We'll be merging them on k, and then let's pass the suffixes argument, and we'll set that to be equal to whatever name we want. So let's say underscore left and underscore right. Let's run it. So instead of vx and vy, now we have v underscore left and v underscore right. Okay, so this is how we can use the suffixes argument. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you at the next lecture.